Welcome back to my garage. My camera is really wiggly right now because it's loose. Ooh, man. Oh, it's so hot in here. I've been sweating. Okay. So if you guys have not seen the video already where I taught you guys how to boomerang a card, I'll put it up in the cards. Just click it, watch it. You don't have to watch it before this video. Just watch both of them. They're gonna be pretty good. So today I'm gonna teach you. It's the exact same idea as how to boomerang a card, except I'm gonna be teaching you how to throw a card. I'll just turn the camera around so it's tight, and I'll show you. So I look really shady right now. That's not good. But that's okay. But that is okay. Okay, so right here we have this is the deck that I am using right now. It is the plastic coated finish. Focus. Why is it not focusing? I'll get out of the picture so it focuses. Okay, it's plastic coat finish. My camera's really bad at focusing. I have no idea. Maybe I'll need to invest in a new one. Okay, so I have a card right here from the deck. Same exact crap. What you want to do is either left or right hand. I use my right hand just because, why not? Okay, what you want to do is you want to take your thumb, index finger, and your middle finger. All right, your index finger is going to be in the middle. Okay, so this is the card. This is the card right here. Okay, this is your index finger. Index finger goes in the middle. Thumb goes on top, and so does your middle finger. Okay, so it'll look like this. And when you're boomeranging the card, it's different. We won't get into it in this video. You just have to watch it. Put a card there again, just in case you guys missed it. But for this, what you're gonna want to do is you want to just kind of like get this bend. Okay, so let me just like ruin this one so you can over exaggerate it. So it's gonna be bent like this. So then you can. Focusing is really hard on this camera for some reason. Okay, so then your index, thumb, middle finger just goes like this, and then you can just go like this, okay? Now, you're not gonna wanna bend it that much, okay? What I've found that works best is bending it just a little bit, so it's like kind of still straight, but not like super straight, so it's like a little bit bent. You can see that? And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna hold it out like this, card like this, okay? And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna arch your hand back, and you're gonna wanna push with your middle finger, okay? So I'll show you guys this way so you can see it better. Okay, so my hand is up like this, just so you know. Okay, so you have it up like this. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna push with this finger, and so you're gonna wanna push with your middle finger. So you're gonna wanna push, and then you'll release. Okay, so push, release, push, release. Okay, I mean that's pretty much as simple as I can do it. Okay, so it's like this. You want it straight up like this. Okay, so you want it straight facing you, kind of like this. Okay, you want to bend your arm back, and then you want to pretty much like a finger gun after that. Okay, so you're gonna want to hold like this, and then you're gonna push your middle finger down, and then your fingers should look like this. I'll show you guys a few more times facing the camera, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay. So up like this, like you're holding a card, and then, so I have a finger gun again. This time we'll do it one more time. Okay, so straight. So it's like straight up at your face, and then you're gonna wanna aim it wherever you wanna go. So if I wanna go this way, I'm gonna aim my body this way and the card this way. If I wanna go this way, I'm gonna aim my body this way and the card this way. If I wanna go up, I'll release it up. If I wanna go straight, I'll release it straight. If I wanna go down, I'll release it down. Okay? So for this one, we're gonna go up. So I just hit the metal. See? Finger gun, didn't even move my hands. That's how you're gonna wanna do that, okay? So now, right here, this little white thing, hold up, it's just, we can zoom it in a little bit. Right here is my target. Yes, it is bent, it is sideways, that's okay. It's okay, just don't worry about it. This point right here is gonna be 100, and then the rest is 20. I don't know, we're probably just gonna like try a few times with all my cards that I made for card throwing. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're just gonna put it like this, and you're just gonna wanna throw it at it. Yes, I'm not perfect, I missed. I mean, I didn't miss, that one was actually pretty decent. But yeah, let's see how many hundreds we can get. I'll just like speed through this and I'll just like zoom it in so you guys can see it, but no. And then if you wanna like get it like extra, like, you know, give like an extra push, you kinda wanna just gonna like, you know, like push it, you know? Cause like if I just did this, you know, it's not gonna do anything. Now, it's like kind of like the happy medium, you know? You don't wanna be pushing too hard and you don't wanna be pushing not enough, so you kinda just have to find out what works for you and then do that. I look like a crazy person in that shot. Hopefully you guys can see. Ooh, that one was bad. See, like this one, how it goes like all the way up. So there's like just like a tiny bit of space up here. I feel like these ones do worse. Yeah, see, like I was aiming up, but then you see this one, how it's like there's tons of space. You know, there's tons of space left, and it's only been a tiny little bit. I feel like these ones. That one would have done good, but it was just a bad throw, I guess. I feel like it's kind of like, you know, hit or miss. You know, like it's not a science. I mean, at least I don't think it is. Yeah, so we're gonna just rotate you. If you guys are still here, you're going to be hearing two things that nobody else is gonna hear. First of all, I painted this, and I'm very proud of it. It's a Stormtrooper. It was supposed to be like glossy right here instead of black, and then this is just my signature because I thought it was cool. And then like, and the blue, and then like the yellow and all that kind of stuff, the green. I thought it was super cool looking, so that's I'm proud of that. I like painting sometimes when I'm bored with the homies. And then this is, hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this. This is Juice's album cover. It looks really good from far away. I'll just keep it as far away as possible. This is Juice's and Future's album cover just because, you know, I really like them. The cup kind of just ruins all of it, so if you just see everything else, it's good. But other than that, yeah, okay, those are the two things, but also, we are nearing, I believe it's 1730. Yep, we are almost going to hit 1730 subscribers. When I hit 1800, I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway. When that happens, you guys better be prepared because it's gonna be great. If you're still here, there is a link in the description on how to enter and enter. See what happens. I will also be filming some very big ideas, guys. So what I have in the works right now, I can't really tell you guys too much about it, but I'm going to be attempting to break a world record. I think it's gonna be super fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun to film. It's gonna be a lot of fun for you guys to see, and I'm really happy about it. We actually haven't even started filming yet. I still have to get the Guinness World Records to like figure out if they want to continue with me or not. So that's kind of where I'm stuck at. But yeah, I'm super excited about that. I hope you guys are all staying safe, having an amazing day. School's starting super soon. I actually start school tomorrow, so I'm not excited about that. But I hope you guys are all staying safe. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Adios. All right, adios. That's how it goes. All right, adios, guys. It's been a while.